Hello, my name is Sam and welcome to BrainTech. In this video, I will show you how to recover deleted messages on Messenger. To start, open your Facebook application in your mobile device. Once you're now here, select Menu on the bottom right. Then in here, select the gear icon on the upper right as well. This will lead you over to Settings. On Search Settings, use the search bar this time, and then search for Download Profile Information. Now wait for Facebook application to finish loading. In here, select Download Profile Information. Once you're here, you can scroll down. Then check if you have checked most of the items that you will need to request a copy with. Once you are now okay with everything, scroll down. Then in here, select the button that says Create My File. This should now be downloaded in either HTML format or JSON format. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.